Welcome, friends. Day 19, Living Your Attitude of Gratitude. Today is devoted to thanking life for all its many gifts and learning how to live with an attitude of gratitude every day. Did you know that prosperity and gratitude go hand in hand? I am always grateful to be one with universal wisdom and backed by universal power. I have noticed that the universe loves gratitude. The more grateful you are, the more goodies you get. When I say goodies, I don't mean only material things. I mean all the people, places, and experiences that make life so wonderfully worth living. You know how great you feel when your life is filled with love and joy and health and creativity, and you get green lights and parking places. This is how our lives are meant to be lived. This is how our lives can be if we are grateful. The universe is a generous, abundant giver and it likes to be appreciated. Think about how you feel when you give a friend a present. If the person looks at it and frowns or says, "It's not my style," or "I would never use anything like that," then you will have little desire to ever give that person a present again. However, if your friend's eyes dance with delight and she is pleased and thankful, then every time you see something she would like, you will want to give it to her. For quite some time now, I have been accepting every compliment and every present with the thought, I accept this with joy and pleasure and gratitude. I have learned that the universe loves this expression, and I constantly get the most wonderful presents. Be grateful from the moment you wake up in the morning. If you start the day by saying, "Thank you, bed, for a good night's sleep," from this beginning, it is easy to think of many more things to be grateful for. By the time I have gotten out of bed, I have probably expressed gratitude for 80 or 100 different people, places, things, and experiences in my life. In the evening, just before you go to sleep, review your day and bless and be grateful for all your experiences, even the challenging ones. If you feel that you made a mistake or made a decision that was not the best, forgive yourself. Be grateful for all the lessons you have learned, even the painful ones. They are little treasures that have been given to you. As you learn from them, your life will change for the better. Rejoice when you see a portion of the dark side of yourself. This means that you are ready to let go of something that has been hindering you. At that moment, you can say, "Thank you for showing me this, so I can heal it and move on." Spend as many moments as you can today and every day being grateful for all the good in your life. If you have little good in your life now, it will increase. If you have an abundant life now, it will increase. This is a win win situation. You are happy and the universe is happy. This attitude of gratitude increases your abundance. When you interact with people today, tell them how grateful you are for what they have done. Tell sales clerks, waiters, postal workers, employers, employees, friends, family, and perfect strangers. Let's help make this a world of grateful and thankful giving and receiving. Let's affirm, I joyously give to life, and life lovingly gives back to me. Your day 19 Your day 19 mirror work exercise. When you first wake up in the morning and open your eyes, say these affirmations to yourself. Good morning, bed. I am so grateful for the warmth and comfort you have given me. Darling, give, giving your name. This is a blessed day. All is well. Take a few more minutes to relax in your bed and think of all the things you are grateful for. When you are ready to get up, go to the bathroom mirror. Look sweetly and deeply into your eyes. List the many things you are grateful for. Say them as affirmations. I am grateful for my beautiful smile. I am grateful to feel perfectly healthy today. I am grateful for having a job to go to today. I am grateful for the friends I am going to meet today. Whenever you pass a mirror today, stop and say an affirmation for something you are grateful for in that moment. The power is within you. Your day 19 journaling exercise. First, feed your attitude of gratitude every day. Start a gratitude journal. Write down at least one thing that you are grateful for. Write down everything you are grateful for. Write an affirmation for each thing you are grateful for to use in your mirror work. Second, read inspiring stories about the power of gratitude. My book, Gratitude A Way of Life, contains contributions from 48 of the most inspiring people I know, and you can also find stories in An Attitude of Gratitude 21 Life Lessons by Keith D. Harrell. Write down an inspiring story of gratitude from your own experience or from the life of someone you know. Your heart thought for day 19. I give and receive gifts graciously. Deep at the center of my being, there is an infinite well of gratitude. I now allow this gratitude to fill my heart, my body, my mind, my consciousness, my very being. This gratitude radiates out from me in all directions, touching everything in my world, and returns to me as more to be grateful for. The more gratitude I feel, the more aware I am that the supply is endless. Appreciation and acceptance act like powerful magnets for miracles every moment of the day. Compliments are gifts of prosperity. I have learned to accept them graciously. If somebody compliments me, I smile and say, "Thank you. Today is a sacred gift from life." I open my arms wide to receive the full measure of prosperity that the universe offers. Any time of the day or night, I can let it in. The universe supports me in every way possible. I live in a loving, abundant, harmonious universe, and I am grateful. There are times in life, however, when the universe gives to me, but I am not in a position to do anything about giving back. I can think of many people who helped me enormously at times when there was no way I could ever reply them or repay them. Later, however, I was able to help others, and that's the way life goes. I relax and rejoice in the abundance and gratitude that are here now. Your day 19 meditation. The light has come. This is an exercise for two people, so invite a friend or family member to join you. Sit facing your partner, hold each other's hands, and look into each other's eyes. Take a nice deep breath and release any fear you may have. Take another deep breath, release your judgment, and allow yourself just to be with this person. What you see in your partner is a reflection of you, a reflection of what is in you. We are all one. We breathe the same air. We drink the same water. We eat the foods of the earth. We have the same desires and needs. We all want to be healthy. We all want to love and be loved. We all want to live comfortably and peacefully, and we want to prosper. We all want to live our lives with fulfillment. Allow yourself to look at your partner with love and be willing to receive the love back. Know that you are safe. Affirm perfect health for your partner. Affirm loving relationships so that your partner is surrounded by loving people at all times. Affirm prosperity so that your partner can live comfortably. Affirm comfort and safety for your partner, knowing that what you give out returns to you multiplied. Affirm the very best of everything for your partner. It is deserved. See your partner willing to accept it, and so it is. This is for day 19 meditation. Thank you.